Do you know how to divide a fraction? That will be our lesson for today. Division of fraction. Before going to the division process, can you find any difference, if there is any, between A and B? There is no difference except the way they are written. How about this? Is there any difference? None, except they are written differently. A is written in fraction, and B is written in decimals. For our first example, we are going to divide 1/2 by 1/2. In division, we have 4 parts. We have the dividend, divisor, the quotient, and the remainder. Pero, pagdating na sa fraction, wala nang remainder. Only 4 whole numbers. In this case, this is the dividend, this is the divisor, and the result will be quotient. In dividing fractions, you need to follow some steps. 1. Write the first fraction. For the second fraction or the divisor, you need to find the reciprocal. You have to flip 1/2 to become 2/1. Then change the operations into multiplication. Now it's time for you to multiply. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. If the numerator is equal to the denominator, it is equal to 1. For our second example, we are dividing 2/4 by 6/8. Let's flip 6/8 to become 8/6. Change the operation from division to multiplication. Now, let's multiply. 2 times 8 equals 16. 4 times 6 equals 24. In fraction, you are always asked to simplify the result. In simplifying fraction, think of a number that could divide numerator as well as denominator. The number that could divide 16 and 24 is 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Is 4/6 the simplest form? No, you can still simplify it. Let's divide 4 by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Dahil wala nang makakadivide sa 2 and 3, ito na ang simplest form, 2/3. IVFC makes math easy. Walang kulalat sa math. Walang kulalat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.